हठयोग पर आधारित घेरंड संहिता ग्रंथ को महर्षि घेरंड जी ने लिखा था। मानव शरीर अनंत रहस्यों से भरा हुआ है। शरीर की अपनी एक मुद्रमयी भाषा है। अपना शरीर पंचतत्वों के योग से बना है। क्या आप जानते हैं कि आपके हाथों में एक सहज चिकित्सा शक्ति है जिसका उपयोग सदियों से विभिन्न बीमारियों का उपचार करने के लिए किया गया है। तो चलिए आज हम देखते हैं उनमें से ही कुछ मुद्राएं जो हमें अत्यंतिक मदद कर सकती है। अगर मेरा वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करना मत भूलिए। इससे मुझे समझता है और तथा मुझे प्रोत्साहन मिलता है कि मैं ऐसे ही नए नए वीडियो और नए नए विषयों को आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करूं। इस वीडियो को आप अपने संबंधियों के साथ ज़रूर शेयर कीजिए ताकि वो भी इसका लाभ ले सके। अपने विचार कमेंट सेक्शन में डालना ना भूलें। शुक्रिया। It amazed me to find that hastas or mudras used in Bharatanatyam are very similar to the yoga mudras.
मुद्रा क्या होती है वो बताना चाहूंगी। Actually in yoga states that two fingers of our hand represent the Pancha Mahabhutas, that is 5 elements: Agni, Vayu, Akash, Bhumi, that is Prithvi, and Jala. Okay, so once again I am explaining. Yoga states that our fingers of our hand represent the Pancha Mahabhutas, 5 elements: Agni, Vayu, Akash, Prithvi, and Jala. And when there is a disturbance in these elements, it can lead to the imbalanced mind and can cause our body to suffer different diseases. If we are touching in the different combinations, okay, I am touching my one finger with other in different combinations, that of course I am going to tell you which combinations, but that creates the circuit in our body through which energy flows, and such a flow of energy allows the body to gain better circulation of blood and indirectly formulating long-term health benefits. Sir, will you give me the next screen? So there are different types of mudras designed to bring the different benefits. They are done in the combination with the breathing to increase the flow of prana in our body. By practicing it, a connection is developed with the patterns in the brain that influences the unconscious reflexes in the different areas. The internal energy is turned, balanced, and redirected, creating an impact on the sensory organs, tendons, glands. In dance also, we are using different hastas used to communicate specific ideas, event, actions, your creations. In a classical dance, if I am speaking about the Bharatanatyam or Kathak, we are using different basically mudras. Okay, we used to say hasta mudra, sometimes with the single hand or sometimes with the both the hand we are doing. But indirectly, when I am studying, I found that this mudra is very similar to the yoga mudra. And इनका जो benefit है, the benefit of this yoga mudra you are getting while dancing, because we are continuously going for specific mudra, or sometimes we are changing our mudras. So that's why. So now we will go in more specifications. Yes. So sir, will you give us next? Yeah. So on the screen you can see clearly one Jnana mudra is there. Normally our saints, जो भी संत थे पहले के, जो भी preachers थे, that saint were using this Jnana mudra. In Jnana mudra I am touching my these two fingers, first index finger and thumb. Okay, so please at least this do it
Sitting, while
Okay,
sitting
while
also.
sitting, just do this. So this is actually Jnana Mudra in yoga, and in our dance we are saying this is a Hansasthit. Hansasthit means we are representing Hams, that is swan. Okay, so this is Jnana Mudra. If you are doing this, each and every mudra, whatever I am explaining, you have to do for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so every day if you are practicing it for 10 to 15 minutes, not more than that, not less than that. So 10 to 15 minutes are enough. And if I am doing this Jnana Mudra, this gives rise to your root chakra. ये आपके रूट चक्रा पे भी वर्क करता है, and this will reduce the tension and depression. This pose is quite calming one and spiritually awakening. That's why I said कि हमारे जो संत पहले के जो सेंट थे वो सब ये मुद्रास यूज करते थे. It stimulates the air element in the body. I said कि this is a vayu, air. So this stimulates the air element in the body, which ultimately leads to an increase in your memory power, nervous system, enhances your concentration and prevents the insomnia. Okay, it increases the level of concentration, builds mental power and sharpens the brain. And the age doesn't matter, I will say. If done regularly, your mental and psychological disorders such as anger, stress, anxiety, depression can be improved considerably. Okay, so this Jnana Mudra I used to tell to the students basically because their concentration get increased. बच्चों का concentration वो जो भी पढ़ रहे हैं उसमें रीडिंग और स्टडी जो भी कर रहे हैं उसमें कंसंट्रेशन काफी हद तक बढ़ जाता है. सेम थिंग वो जो भी पढ़ रहे हैं वो उनको याद रह जाता है. ओके, दिस इज रियली यूजफुल. यस, नेक्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू अबाउट द त्रिशूल. त्रिशूल मीन्स आई एम टचिंग माय स्मॉल फिंगर विद द थंब. I say small finger is representing the Jala Tattva. Jala Tattva means it is representing the water contents of your body. So in dancing, we will say this is a Trishula Hasta, which is representing Trishula, what the God Shankar is keeping in his hand. So that trident matches with the Varuna Mudra, and this Varuna Mudra claim to balance the water content in the body, prevent pain due to the inflammation or shrinkages of muscles. This mudra reduces the dryness of your skin and helps to improve its luster and softness. It also helps to cure many skin diseases. Okay, it encourages openness and fluid communication and balances the water element in the body. So we have to do this for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, means I will say regarding kidney, if any problems are there, it will get solved. Okay, of course don't stop the medicines you keep going, but this will of course boost your power and immunity power. Okay, and it will help to your medicines very fast. Another is a Kartari Mukhasta. Next is our Kartari Mukhasta. Here I am touching my the small finger and index finger together to my thumb. Okay, I am joining this. Okay, and this is Prana Mudra in yoga. While we are saying this is a Kartari Mukhasta. Okay, this represents the Caesar. I will say whenever we want to show Caesar, we are showing in this way. This is a Caesar according to our dance. Okay, this is very similar to Prana Mudra. This removes the vitamin deficiency and fatigue. It improves your immunity and power of your eyes. Eye related problems will get solved. Okay, it reduces eye related diseases. So this is the symbol of energy, spirit of life. It provides energy and health. It improves eyesight, increases the body resistance and reduces deficiency of vitamins and removes tiredness. This is really good. Okay?
So go next.
Next is the,
Prithvi.
yes, this is a Mayura Hasta. We are many times showing this is peacock. Okay, Mayura means peacock. It resembles to the Prithvi Mudra. It improves the complexion of skin. All the ladies must do this. So this is the improves your complexion of your skin and helps to control your weight and obesity. One more super benefit. Okay, ये आपके वेट को कंट्रोल करेगा, ओबेसिटी को कंट्रोल करेगा. किसी किसी का टेंडेंसी होता है कि मैं थोड़ा भी खाती हूँ बट मैं फटक से फैट जनरेट होता है, तो उनके लिए दिस इज रियली सुपर. इट इंक्रीजेस द फायर एलिमेंट. ओके, this is actually Prithvi Tattva and fire. You are matching with each other. So this increases the fire element in the body that helps to maintain the temperature and improve the vision. This is actually one more name is that Surya Mudra. This can help cure many other problems like a loss of appetite, indigestion, shivering, cold, digestive problems, even coldness of body limbs, hands or feet. Okay, this will give you benefit. ये indigestion में बहुत help करता है. After eating you can do this. Next is a Sihasamukha. Okay, it is looking like a lion head. They are saying in dance we are using as a lion head. So I am touching my this middle finger and ring finger with thumb. Okay, so these three fingers are together. So Sihasamukha, this is the Apana Mudra which regulates diabetes and helps to cure constipation and piles. Okay, this mudra gives relief from constipation, piles, diabetes, kidney defects and your dental problems. It is best for stomach and heart disease. We are all aware of the fact that toxins are very harmful to our body. Whenever we eat food, some part of our food, it remains undigested and this causes toxin formation. It is very important to detoxify the body and Apan Mudra will help you a lot in this. Okay, so this is Apan Mudra.
So shall I repeat these 5 steps? What?
Yes.
5 mudras.
Yes, thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. So first was this Jnana Mudra, that is Mudra of knowledge. Then second is the Varun Mudra, that is Mudra of water. Then third is the Prana Mudra, that is this one, Mudra of life. Then fourth is the Prithvi Mudra, like a peacock something, Mayura Hasta, what you said. And the last one is Sinhamukha Hasta or Mudra of digestion.
Sihasamukha or Sihasamukha.
Okay. Fine. Thank you very much. So
Any queries on this?
yeah, then I'll ask of course. So thank you very much. The bottom line of today's this session is that dancing is a great way to boost your fitness, lose weight and gain other health benefits, and it's a form of exercise that's often a lot of fun and done in a group, which may motivate basically you to keep at over the long term. You can try dancing on your own to favorite tunes, or you can opt for more structured format by joining any dance class or something. What is most important is to find the style and the type of dance that you most enjoy. If your goal is to lose weight, aim for more than 150 minutes of moderate intensity dance or else 75 minutes of high intensity dance each week.
Thanks a lot, madam. You have given wonderful information today on amazing health benefits of dance and mudras. This is so useful for all of us. I think we must start practicing these mudras from today itself. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thanks to MJF Lion Lioness Chandra Arora ji for inviting me today for this wonderful event.